So here's iMe Telegram AI Messenger. So here it is. Smart messenger with AI assistant, secure communication, powerful tools, and intelligent assistant all in one app. Why choose iMe? Combines Telegram's convenience with cutting-edge AI technology. So it has next-generation AI assistant built into the app for free, ultimate privacy, password-protected hidden chats, built-in antivirus for file scanning, advanced data protection layers, smart translation, chat management, personalization. Here is how it looks like. The design, the look is very similar to Telegram. There are just some additional tabs like AI chat, where you can just go and then just start chatting with iMe AI. Bookmarks, Lime Game, I don't know what that is. So some mini apps where you can just get that. As you can see, the design is very similar to Telegram. And then here you can also get this invitation link. I don't know why it's not loading. Then there is cloud, topics, notification, sounds, privacy, iMe Premium. If you wanna, you can get iMe Premium. That's separate from Telegram Premium. Daily check-in. Get iMe Premium for free. Save $4 per month. Claim a free iMe Premium with simple actions. Stay active for 7 days to unlock special reward. Telegram Premium, iMe Premium. That's kind of cool, right? So.
Jeg er Hanne fra Odense.
So this is all right, and then you just you just need to watch some stupid ads, and so now you I just got it. It took like 30 seconds of the app, and then you can also gift iMe Premium, support Telegram features. So that's kind of the features specifically of iMe. And you see here also Telegram features that are all kind of mixed in one place. So that's the idea. And then you have contacts, you have chats, everything is imported from your Telegram account. You just need to log in with your Telegram account, and then you can have iMe AI. So that's the idea.